Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two AI brainstorming tools, which is Capacity and ClickUp. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Capacity is great for building knowledge-rich networked workspace where your ideas connect naturally. It's object-based structured, auto-linking, and spaced repetition, which make it ideal for long-term team brainstorming on personal research. The upside is that it feels intuitive and it can help you retain and organize ideas. And the downside is it's still growing, and some advanced features and mobile offline capacities is limited. Then talking about ClickUp, on the other hand, however, it offers a flexible visual canvas by Whiteboard 3.0 where you can brainstorm collaborative in real time, convert notes into tasks, and even integrate directly with your project workflow. That makes ideations feel very actionable, but ClickUp's whiteboard aren't perfect. They can be buggy and sometimes perform queries, and some users also say other boards are unstable. So in my opinion, I think going with Capacity, you can go with Capacity if you want a clean, organized space to think deeply and connect ideas over time, while ClickUp is for those who need real-time collaboration with visual brainstorming and a fast conversion of ideas into action. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.